Hey everyone, and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to show you how to link Mailchimp and Canva. So let's begin. Okay, so the first thing we need to do is to make sure you have an account here in Canva. If you haven't done so, this is the perfect time for you to create an account. And once you have done that, log in using your credentials and start going to a certain template that you wanted. Say for example, this one. If you wanted to use this specific template, you need to do, or what you have to do right now, is click on share. So it depends on the version that you are using, but in my interface right now, click on share and click on the three dots icon below, more, and then you need to go down to where it says click on Mailchimp, right? As you can see from here. Now click on Mailchimp. And obviously, if you have an account in Mailchimp, you are going to be redirected to the dashboard of your Mailchimp account. Now click on it. Now from here, all you're gonna do is click allow, right? While doing so, you will receive a notification in the upper right corner of your Canva interface, and you can also save it to your files in Mailchimp. Click on that, right? Preparing your design. And after doing so, you can now hover down to your Mailchimp account. Such as this one, you have the option to view it in Mailchimp. When you click on that, you are already here on your Mailchimp, and you'll have successfully linked your Mailchimp account to Canva. And that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you in the next one.